Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm actually going to be DIYing my own postcards. I'm super excited because this is more of a vlog style video. It's just me painting my own postcards, creating some cool art, and sending it to my friends. So stick around and let's roll with this video. Mwah. Hey guys! Microphone fail. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yaro Zurich from Y Zurich, and I'm super excited about this video. Thank you for being here with me again. Thank you for your support, and thank you for everything you have done. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos if you like my content, and also leave those comments below because I want to hear what you guys come up with, and if you have any ideas, and also if you like my content. With that, like I said, I'm super excited about today's video because I am making my own postcards to send my friends. I've been inspired to make something like this. I've been wanting to make something like this for a while, and I finally decided it was time. I mean, since this is the world, I don't know what's happening, but the middle of the pandemic worldwide, and we cannot really go out anywhere, we cannot travel, we're quarantined. So I thought this would be such a nice gesture to put it in the mail and send it to my friends and put a smile on their faces when they receive it. I thought it would be so sweet, and I mean, I love doing things like this because it brings joy to me, so I feel like it would bring joy to others as well. So if you feel inspired and doing something like this for your friends, feel free to do it. Oh my god, this idea is so cool. You can customize it however you want to. And also, these postcards serve as art. They double as art as well. So you can use it anywhere in your room. You can frame them. I mean, it's endless. The possibilities are endless. So with that, I hope you're all staying safe, and please take care of one another, and let's just roll with this video because I am super excited about this vlog. Oh my god, super excited. Hope you guys enjoy it. Mwah. So for this project, I'm actually just using my drawing pad, some brushes, my acrylic paint over here in different shades that I have, my little basket full of acrylic paint. And also, I have 2 little cups of water. One water is going to remain clean and the other one is just to clean my brushes. That's pretty much what I'm using. I also have some extra tape because I want to draw some borders on some of my cards. And also, I'm using an old Christmas card to kind of like get a shape in the size that I want to use it. Again, I think the standard is 5x8. But I want to make them a little bigger because I also want to use these as artwork. So with that, let's just get to some drawing, right? I'm actually just measuring the length of the paper, and I'm going to just cut them in half and use that as the size of my postcard. This happens to be a 12-inch paper, so I'm just measuring half of it, which is 6 inches, and now I'm just drawing the line in the middle to cut it and get to painting. And now we're just gonna go ahead and cut it in half. I want to make about 10 of these. And I do want to point out that this paper is more of a cardstock. I just have 6, and I'm going to go ahead and tape the borders. So I'm going to use my little masking tape just to tape it, and then we'll get to just some painting because I'm super excited about getting these done. So lately I've been really into this indigo, and I'm using my acrylic paint. This is Amsterdam and it's called Greenish Blue. And I'm also just gonna mix some of the white acrylic paint and some of the black acrylic paint. For this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw some random circles. Again, these are not supposed to be perfect, just some circle. And this is what our circles look like. They are not perfect by any means, and I don't want them to be perfect. It's just very organic. So guys, let me know if you like these type of videos, because I've never done this vlogging style videos before, but I think they're so cool. I mean, thank you for spending the time with me. So put in those comments and let me know if you like this, because I think it's a cool way to show you guys what I'm doing and how some of my behind the scenes goes. You know, let me know what you guys think. Mwah. This one is super random. There's no rhyme or reason as to what I'm doing. This is just gonna be all a bunch of different spots like this, and I want them to be all in different colors, so I'm gonna do some different sizes. It's so satisfying. Make sure you wet your brush. If you want that splatter kind of look, just make sure you're wetting your brush. For this next postcard, I want to maybe make it, I don't know, like, have you guys seen those rainbows that are like halfway there but not there? It's like a very abstract kind of a rainbow. I think that that's the idea I want to do. Maybe one going like this and one going like this. I don't know. I think that that's where my mind is going. Okay, so I'm gonna start again with this blue that I think it's gorgeous. Mix in some white and whoop, whoop, whoop. You like my sound? Whoop. My scoop sound. Whoop. I may do some lighter blue in the middle, so let me get some more water. Water it down. Again, let me know which one you guys like better. I mean, I can't decide yet. I'm not done, so I have to make sure that I put them all together next side by side. But so far from what you're seeing, which one do you like best? I also love the brush strokes. They look so pretty. Oh, that's cool. It reminds me of like an agate or something. Oh, that's pretty. This one I actually want to make using the same technique I used for the first one, but maybe using more colors. And I really want this to be like, and I don't want it to be perfect either, so like maybe not cover the entire paper this time. I'm gonna mix in some white and water. It's cool, like that. Now I want to go with the darker, maybe a little darker. Maybe a shade of black in there. I guess it's like a reverse ombre almost, because the lighter shade is in the middle, but it looks cool. Again, it's art. Lastly, for this one, I want to do more of a maybe modern, I guess, painting. I really love the brush strokes. It looks so pretty. Over here, I'm gonna use some dark blue. Now before they're fully done, I'm just gonna go ahead and use some of my gold acrylic paint, and I'm just gonna do like some specks of gold so that way it just gives it a little more of a, I don't know, luxe feel. And let me do that and we'll be done. This really was a really fast little project. So the way I like to do this is just by using a small brush. I like to just go ahead and get my paint, but before that I want to dip it in a little bit of water, clean water, and then you dip it in your paint, and I like to just tap it like this on my finger, and then it'll get the little specks on the actual painting. And that's all you do. With this one, I just want to add a little more gold to the middle. I don't want to actually splatter it. I'm just gonna add some circles like this. Again, this is just very like abstract. There's no special pattern that I'm following or anything. This is just what the brush feels like doing, what your hand tells you to do. Nothing special about it. This one, I'm just gonna do some gold specks, very random. Kind of reminds me of like cheetah almost, or some sort of animal print. Taking off the tape is so satisfying. Oh my god. And that's when you actually start to see how cute they actually look. Wow. I'm going to just do a little gold frame. Using my gold acrylic paint, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the border that I created, or the little frame. And like every artist, just make sure you always sign your work. So I'm just gonna sign XYZ 20. XYZ because X is non-binary, and YZ obviously because those are my initials. So I ended up just giving them a coat of the Rust-Oleum clear spray. It took the little postcards to a whole different level. I'm gonna go ahead and get them inside because they're outside drying out, and I'll show you guys what they look like. They look fabulous, fabulous. Well guys, that was the end of our little vlog for today. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos if you like them, please. Thank you so much for helping me and for supporting my goals and dreams. So thank you. With that, I hope that you guys liked my little project for today. I was super excited about making this because not only it was made with a lot of love, but also I am very excited to put it out there for my friends so they can get it and see it and put a smile on their faces and know that they are loved and appreciated. So if you make anything like this for your friends, or if you found this inspiring, please put it on Instagram. It is hashtag Made with Yaro. That is MADE with YARO, and then hashtag in the front, Made with Yaro, so that way I can find it and like it and put it in my stories. So thank you guys so much again, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please, if you like my content, and let me know in the comments below which ones you liked the most. Lastly, please take care of one another, please be safe out there, and don't forget, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. All we have is this moment, so let's make the best of it. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye. Mwah.